wash my hair twice a week. That's right, ladies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Giselle and I post different types of videos here on my channel. Today estoy un poco greñuda because primero apenas llegué de la escuela, so it's a typical day for me. Like, I just came back from school. My makeup is really like hanging on by a string. I literally popped on lashes and I just turned on the camera because I thought this was a good opportunity to show you guys how I style my dirty, greasy hair. So that's the second reason why I look crazy right now, is because this hair hasn't been washed in 3 days. So I always tell my clients at school that you need to not wash your hair every single day. Our hair is naturally producing oils from our scalp, which helps moisturize our hair. So those oils are really crucial for our hair to grow nice and shiny and healthy. So if you're washing your hair every single day, you're literally stripping it of its natural oil, and that's really crucial for your hair. You see what I'm saying? So if you're one of those people that washes your hair every single day because you're too oily, blah blah blah, well, stop it. You need to train your hair, and let me show you a product that will help you with that. This is the trusty Batiste dry shampoo. They sell this at Walmart, at Walgreens, CVS, you name it. It's very affordable. This will save your life. Dry shampoo in general. Doesn't have to be this brand. I just happen to like Batiste. I've tried a lot. So I've tried some from Sephora. I've tried this one from the drugstore. They all do the same thing. It just depends on your preference, if you want it to feel like you have some product in your hair or if you're more of a lightweight product type of person. I've just noticed that this one really does help soak up that oil. And since I do have darker hair, I have tried the dark brown dry shampoo from this brand. But honestly, when I would run my fingers through my hair, when I pulled out my hands out of my hair, they were brown because, you know, the dry shampoo was on my fingers. And it just looked like I rolled in mud. Like, my hands looked dirty. So that wasn't really the cutest thing. I just transferred over to like the original white one, which I don't mind. So you just have to be careful. You spray it onto your roots. I already did, so that's why I'm not doing it right now. But you spray it onto your roots and you just section your hair. So make sure you get it everywhere. And then it's going to look a little like powdery and white, but you just have to like massage it into your scalp. Leave that in while you're doing your makeup or while you're doing something else, and your hair will soak it up. So if you're having an issue with white powder, wait, hold up. My mama calling me. My mom. Ah! Why did the light go out? Sí, pero I was gonna put my shoes on. Yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, pues ya se me olvidó lo que iba a decir. But basically, oh my god, everything is going wrong. So yeah, that's how I trained my hair to not be so greasy, and that I could wash it in like 3 or 4 days. I only wash my hair twice a week. That's right, ladies. Anyways, if you want to see the hairstyles that I have for you guys today, just keep watching and let's get on to it. Okay, so first hairstyle that I personally like to do when my hair is almost to the point where I can't wear it down. I like wearing this particular hairstyle whenever my hair is not so noticeably greasy, so it's almost there, like it's like a second day of no washing. Let me show you what I like to put in it. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you have probably seen all of these. I love putting my hair up in a headband because it kind of avoids you seeing this part of my head, which is where I can tell where my hair is dirty. This one is actually from Five and Below. It's like a Dollar Tree, but like a little more high quality. It's big enough for my big head. So what I like to do is I just put it in the front. It has a knot in the top right here. And I just like kind of do this and I wear it like that. So this one's from H&M. And then this one is from Walmart. And Walmart has really cute and affordable headbands. Definitely check them out. I'm just going to demonstrate the next hairstyle with this same headband. So what I like to do for the second hairstyle is put it all up. Usually I put it up like in a messy ponytail. And I like kind of take out pieces. So I just flip my hair over and then I just literally just twist my hair and create like a messy bun. type of thing. I actually wore this hairstyle with like the pink headband in my What's in My Cosmetology kit. This is exactly how I did my hair. It's so cute, it's simple. No one will notice that your hair is super dirty. So what I do is I part it like wherever I want it that day. So we'll say the side. So I kind of take out pieces so that they kind of frame my face. I need to actually cut my hair, bro, because I don't have framing pieces anymore. And I kind of tuck some hair. And then kind of like put it over this hair that you try to take out. And then, so it's not so like up in the front. It's a little bit more off to the side. So I have some pieces of hair just sticking out in the front. Like so. And then I grab it in a ponytail. And this is how I will wear it sometimes. But I honestly get really sick of these hairs just flying in front of my face. So by the end of the day, they're like probably back here. I'm not going to take out this ponytail. I'm going to actually leave it. And another tip I have for you guys is this is not my natural hair texture. I have pretty straight hair. The only reason why it has some body to it is because I curled it earlier. I don't mind curling my hair when it's like second day. That's actually even better. Like it works in my favor because it just holds those curls in a lot better. Like the mugre of my hair helps the curls stay in longer. Does that make sense? I actually got this from ASOS. So this scarf is just made out of silk like the headbands, and I basically just fold it in a triangle, and then I kind of like, can you guys see what I'm doing? So I just kind of like tie it in a double knot. And that's how I wear it. Okay, and another of my go-to hairstyles is a messy low bun. Like this is probably what I'm wearing most of the time because at school I am so paranoid that one day bleach or hair color will land in my hair. If you guys didn't know, I've never chemically touched my hair. Like I rarely get haircuts, so nevertheless touched it with chemicals. So I just kind of roll it up into a little bun. The looser the better. The messier the bun, I think it looks cuter. Kind of lift it up right here. Then I grab the scarf again. So in reality, it's all about just accessorizing your hair and distracting it from the greasiness that's happening up there. So I folded it in a triangle and now I'm gonna roll it. It probably will stay in the hair better if you roll it. Once it's in a little line like this, just like double knot it. And there you go. Okay, and then this next hairstyle requires no accessories if you don't have any. So basically, I just like to braid my hair. Braiding really helps your dirty, greasy hair. This is like when I have super gross hair, I just give up in hiding it. So I just braid it. Usually in the morning, my sister isn't really awake to help me braid my hair because me and my sister like to braid each other's hair. It's just like easier on the arms, but sometimes we gotta do it ourselves. I'm gonna quickly braid one side of my head and then I'll come back and show you guys what I did because this is a little hard to do it on the viewfinder. And personally on me, I like to do the Dutch one, so the cornrow, the inside out braid where it puffs out, because I think it's just easier. My hands already are hurting because they're up here. So do whatever type of braid that you like to do on your head. And also, if you don't know how to braid, don't fear. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there. Grab your sister, grab your mom, and start braiding. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna actually show you guys in fast motion how I braid my hair. I like to part my hair away, like the side that I'm not gonna braid. I like to put it up in a ponytail so that I don't braid it in with this side, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this is not the best braid that I've done on myself, but I'm just trying to give y'all reference to what it would kind of look like. And you see that little hair up there that I didn't catch? Don't worry, I'm gonna pull my braid so that it kind of looks like I wanted that to happen. So basically, I just pancake my braid. I learned that term from Cute Girl Hairstyles. So, kind of just like play with it. And yes, my arms do burn a little bit because all the blood went down to my shoulders. And voila! This is the final hairstyle. I literally will braid my hair anytime I just gave up on my hair. I don't want to curl it. I don't want to put any of my headbands on because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, wearing a headband for more than like 6 or 7 hours just like hurts my head and it gives me a headache. So I really just go towards this hairstyle whenever my hair is super dirty and I just kind of don't want to wash it. Also, I feel personally that whenever I braid my hair, I help distribute the oil that my hair has created during those 3 or 4 days. I know that sounds kind of gross, but it's like what I just feel like it does. And also, I think this is like an old wives' tale or something my abuelita made up, but she said that if you ever wanted to grow your hair out, just braid it at night and then go to sleep. And it kind of makes sense because if your hair is in a braid, it's not going to get tangled and you wake up with really pretty waves in the mornings. So yeah guys, that completes my how to not look greasy video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed and this is something a little different than what I usually post on here. And also don't forget to leave me comments if you want to see something in particular. Please leave it down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, before I leave, quick shout out to Melanie Magaña because she actually gave me this idea to do a video on how I do hairstyles, on how I style my hair using these hair bands. So hopefully I granted your wish, Melanie. And thank you so much for like requesting something. That really means a lot and like oh god, what did I do? Okay, hopefully nothing. But yeah guys, that's all I wanted to say. Alright, bye.